Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Software and technology company Amber Connect has resolved to set up its own communication infrastructure which is not dependent on a third-party telecommunications provider. The founder and CEO of the company told the Business Day that there's a renewed drive to lift the company's reliance on telecommunications providers. This after a Flow network outage left many Amber Connect clients stranded last Friday.
We do experience all of these difficulties once in a while. In my experience, yes, when they go down, it creates quite a lot of stress on us also because we are completely dependent on mobile phone networks. And I'm sure in the next 1-2 years, we'll see a lot of backup systems available for us to piggyback things like Sigfox. And there are a lot of new emerging LoRa technology and so on that we will deploy in every country that we work with to create a backup system in case if there is a GSM failure of any kind.
But Mr. Savadia explained that there are some challenges with setting up the new technology.
So there are some new ways that are emerging. None of them are solidified yet. None of them are as cheap as we want it to be to roll it out. But I think the whole world is moving towards a non-GSM IoT system. And I think as an innovative company as we are, we will definitely stay ahead of the curve.
He said Amber Connect has already started to work on the new technology and plans to roll it out as soon as it is completed.
Hence now we are developing our own technology and our own infrastructure, so to speak, where we can piggyback on Wi-Fi networks and stuff like that to at least still transmit the location of the vehicles in emergencies like this.
In currency trading, the US dollar jumped to a record high today. The American currency is now going for $133.38. The Canadian dollar is also up, selling for $103.94. The pound is being sold for $171.64, while the euro is going for $152.61 on average. Executive Director of the National Integrity Action, Professor Trevor Monroe, is demanding that Prime Minister Andrew Holness provide responses to issues relating to the mismanagement of public funds. He says some of the issues have been pending a response for too long.
We ask that the Prime Minister disclose what action is being taken in relation to the recommendations of the Contractor General, recommendations made in July of 2017, connected to the debushing of November 2016. We ask what action is being taken in relation to the government's failure to receive 200 used cars that were purchased and paid for in public with public money for the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
Oil prices are down 37 cents today to settle at $67.89 a barrel. Prices settled lower, giving up earlier gains as the market played down the impact of rising tensions between the US and Iran. The JSE index lost 3,359 points, while the junior index lost 4 points. Among the winners today were 138 Student Living, AMG Packaging and Paper, Berger Paints, Cargo Handlers, Everything Fresh, Fosrich, General Accident Insurance Company, Jamaica Broilers, KLE Group, and Alaska Manufacturing. Now on the losing side were 1834 Investment, Blue Power Group, C2W Music, Elite Diagnostics, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Producers, Alaska Distributors, Mayberry Investments, NCB Financial Group, and Portland JSX. There you go. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.